So, quick video guys, I am trying to add music to a video I'm making on iPhone. It's an iMovie Maker. Anyway, and trying to use YouTube's audio library on your mobile has become next to impossible. So the first thing it does is it pops up the splash screen, and I'm using Firefox, by the way, latest version of Firefox. You can see it's teeny tiny. So the first thing you have to do is stretch the page up. Click to go to the audio library. And then you've got just random videos. So say I want a video that's less than 1.5 minutes long. You see the page moving. I'm trying to stretch the page. If you click the little filter button, it appears and then immediately disappears, look. And the way I worked around that was to make it really big and then click it and then it stays, look. So I want to change the duration, which has gone up there, but the box is malformed, look, so I can't use that. Let's try that again. So it just disappears, look. This is what we have to go through. Creators have to go through just to get a soundtrack using mobile phone. So let's try that again. Duration, here we go. I want it shorter than 1 minute 30 seconds. So press apply. Now it's filtered all the songs that are shorter than 1 minute 30 seconds. So you think, oh, that's a good idea. So let's just try the first one. And we have to, it won't play. Let me go back, so it's jumping about. It's because the page doesn't want to move. So let's go and try to play the song. It won't play on mobile, for a start. You can't play, you can't sample any of the songs, so you can't preview it in advance. So let's go over Pan Pizza. That's a funny name, isn't it? So let's go over and try and download one. So we've got a download button appeared. Let's press that. Here's the song. Here's the song playing. Now I could share that with iMovie. This is on Firefox. It won't do it on Safari. If I click more, you see there is an option to share it with iMovie. However, if I didn't want that track and I just wanted to go back one page, it's refreshed the page and gone back to the studio splash screen. So now when I go back to the studio and pop up the library again, you see all the time durations have been reset. So I'd have to go through that every time with every song. You can't just listen to the song and then you can't just listen to the song and then go back one page and listen to the next song. It completely resets it every time. Obviously I don't want this quiet, sloppy music on my page. So I'll go back one and it goes back to the studio. So YouTube, I don't know what you're playing at really, mates, but audio library is completely dysfunctional on iPhone. So can you get that fixed and produce a mobile friendly version? If you could put it in the studio app, that would be really helpful. Thanks very much. That's my little video. Thanks very much for watching.